Hey, welcome to the Swedish Ambassador's residence here in Ottawa. I came here 4.5 years ago and this park looked like a jungle. And we decided to cut the grass in a much more efficient way by introducing the Swedish invention, the AutoMowers. These small robots that cut your grass 24/7 and are making an amazing job. We have saved a ton of money not hiring people to coming here cut our grass. Instead, we bought these AutoMowers and they are doing a wonderful job here at the garden. And I just want to let you know also that they're not only cutting the grass, they're actually feeding the grass. Since they are cutting the grass so little at a time, it means that that grass goes down to the earth and actually feeds the grass. And the other thing that is very good is actually that weed does not like to be cut. Grass likes to be cut. So if you have an automower like this and you keep it running for a couple of years, you will have a very lush lawn and no weeds. So have a look at the Swedish Ambassador's residence here and enjoy the Swedish invention, Husqvarna Automowers.